Hola, hola, welcome back. Bienvenidos a Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today we'll be learning how to say hello, how are you in Spanish. But for all of you that you already know how to say this phrase, I got a little surprise at the end of the video. How to say, how have you been in Spanish. But before proceeding any further, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week and every Friday you'll get a new video. Now, if you already know how to say hello, how are you? I will also help you to pronounce this with a perfect Spanish accent. So, escucha, listen. Hello in Spanish is hola. Do not pronounce the H. You do not say hola. You say hola. The H is silent. Hola. Do not say hola. O. Hola. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Do not say ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Let's see a few ejemplos. Example. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Copy my accent. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you today? Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? Hoy means today. Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? And once again, the H is silent. You don't say hoy. Hoy. Siguiente ejemplo. Hello, friend. How are you? Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, amigo. Do not say amigo. That is incorrect. Say amigo. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Hello, sir. How are you? Hola, señor. ¿Cómo está? Without the S. Hola, señor. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está is the formal form of how are you. ¿Cómo está? Hello. How are you? Nice to see you. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Gusto verte. Gusto verte. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Gusto verte. Siguiente ejemplo. Hello. How have you been? Hola. ¿Cómo has estado? Hola. ¿Cómo has estado? Once again, the H is silent. You don't say has. You say has estado. Muy bien, amigos. It was a brief video today. Please give me a like and subscribe. I will be uploading more videos this week, and I'm just completing one of the songs I recorded last year to help you continue learning Spanish. I hopefully will be able to upload it sometime this week. Subscribe and check my other playlist. You may find many videos that you'll enjoy. Nos vemos. Adiós.